My red car is unbeatable. Let's have one more race. Go! Oh! What if we make a big car ourselves? A big car? We can build it with mud. A real car made from mud? Papa, we have an idea.
What is it?
We want to build a big car from mud. We'll make the clay ourselves.
We need good clay-rich soil.
We'll collect plenty. This bucket is heavy. Keep going.
Now we turn this soil into clay.
Let's do it. More water?
Just a little at a time.
It's getting thicker. Keep mixing. It needs to be smooth. Like this?
Like this, exactly.
It holds together. It's perfect. Let's start.
This frame supports the clay body.
The front is starting.
Keep it thick and strong.
Now we shape the nose.
Make it smooth. The side is getting bigger.
Follow the frame.
This side needs to match.
Exactly.
The back is taking shape.
Keep the center open.
It finally looks like a car, but the top is still open. The roof is taking shape.
Keep the curve smooth. We need a clear view.
Make it wide. Now it has windows.
Openings first, glass later. Now we build the cabin.
Slowly and evenly. That's my door!
Not finished yet.
My door!
Make both sides even.
The hood looks smooth.
Keep the lines sharp.
The back looks sporty.
We're almost there.
The wheels need space.
Exactly, exactly.
It finally looks like a real sports car.
Now we let the clay dry. Now we let it dry.
I can't wait to see it. It's hard now.
Perfect. Now we can finish it. Smooth surfaces make better paint.
We're ready! We're ready! It's turning red!
The main color is done.
Now it looks sporty. I love the colors.
4 wheels, 1 car.
Now it can move.
Now we give it power.
Ready? The lights work!
Perfect.
We're driving our clay car! We really built it! It all started with my little car and became our big dream!
Great things start with simple ideas.
Look, baby dog! Let's make a road all the way to the beach! My truck can climb anything! Then try climbing this. Whoa, too big. Wait, what if we build something much bigger? Let's from sand. A real house? Papa, we want to build a giant sandcastle house. Ha.
Then we'll need a lot of sand.
Let's build it. Buckets ready. Excavator ready.
Then let's get started. First, we need a strong foundation.
Make it huge. It needs lots of water.
That's what will make our walls strong.
More sand coming. Fill it all the way.
Pack it tightly.
We want it super strong. Wow, it stayed up. That's our first wall. Left wall.
And one more for the back.
Right wall. It's already bigger than our house. But it doesn't look like a castle yet. Look, it's becoming a castle. Let's make all 4 towers huge. This needs a giant entrance.
Nice and smooth.
My excavator can make the doorway. Careful, don't break the wall. Higher, Papa, higher.
Then keep those buckets coming.
Uh-oh, Papa! The wall is cracking. There are cracks everywhere.
The sand is getting too dry. We need more water.
Spray this side. I'm bringing more water. Pack it tight.
Good teamwork.
Pack it tight.
Good teamwork.
No more cracks. Our castle is strong again. Let's make it beautiful. I found the prettiest shells. Now it needs a special doorway. It looks like a giant seashell. Look, the ocean is on our castle. That's perfect.
Let's finish the top.
Here comes another bucket. Last bucket.
Perfect.
We really built it. It's huge. Our little machines look so tiny, but they help build a giant house. We need to protect it from the waves. Let's build a barrier. I'll dig the channel. I'll clear the sand.
Make them thick and strong.
We've got it. Papa, the water is coming.
Stay back. Let's see if it works.
It worked. The castle is safe. We started with a little toy and built something huge.
Every big dream starts with a small idea.